remember as a kid having like moments of complete at oneness, let's call it. It's just a name. But there's a feeling of that life has, that everything is present in life. You know, everything is there, and there's you're held, and you have trust. Yeah, you have a basic trust, and that basic trust holds you. You know, and then you go to school, or the parents fight, or whatever happens, stories happen, and then you lose that connection. Why do I then suddenly become so complicated and so afraid and, you know, so mindy and whatever we do? You know, we get lost in life's certain challenges. But somewhere inside that longing is just that sweet kind of pain that is in a way is like God is calling you back in. He's saying, hey, there's something else there. Come on. You know, it's not all about how you look and money and who you marry and all these outer things that are part of life. You know? And brings you, in a way, it brings you home. People come because they feel there's something else in life that I want. You know, this can't be it. There is something bigger happening. We're held by some more bigger divine intelligence, let's call it. It has many names, so I don't know, whatever the name is, you know, but there is something else, and that something else is what we're longing for, you know, and to come home and not to be so caught in my sometimes very distorted ego defenses, you know. We can be so beautiful, and then you have a fight with your boyfriend or with your girlfriend. You become just a fucking mean, nasty person. And it's like, why? Or the critic comes in and, you know, you look into the mirror 5 minutes and you think, oh God, you're too old, too fat, too ugly, you know, just poof. You know, you're miserable for the rest of the day. And then what is that? You know, how come? The mind can destroy everything. And then, of course, that's the beginning of the work, you know, then to look, what is my ego defense, what I'm hiding behind, what is there on a deeper level, you know, who am I really? And how do I act out? And how do I take responsibility, and how do I not take responsibility? I mean, it's not right or wrong, but it's just to then we start looking.